This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Do this. Run this program to see how it works. Okay. Run. Come to the club fair. Okay. Ooh, and some tunes going. Let's go ahead and... Oh, alright. Friday during lunch. An open mind. Huh. Okay, cool. So this works and then go back. Oh, problem was there. Alright. Add code so that the program... Okay. So that the go back button takes the user back to the home screen. Reset. Alright, so I'm not entirely sure how to do this. Well, I'm lying, but I'm going to pretend like I'm not. Let's see how they do it. Take the user to the details screen. Okay, so details button. Look what this is called. Details button, right? And I can go in design mode and click on this. Details button. Okay, so when the details button is clicked, when I click on that, what happens? Zoop, I set the screen to the details screen. Well, this is a home screen, so when I click on the details button, it's changed to the details screen. Now, on the event... I missed it. There we are. On the event that, what is clicked? What needs to be clicked if we want to go home? Go back, okay? This ID is go back button, or again, I can go into design mode, click go back button. So on the event then that the go back button is clicked, what do I want to do? Yep, go back button's clicked. I want to set the screen, boop, to what? Well, home screen. Home screen. Let's give this a try. Here we are, and I'm going to click Event Details, and so when I click the Event Details button, I go to the Details screen. Ta-da! Great information, cool. Now if I click the Go Back button, on the event that the Go Back button's clicked, this should become home. Boom! Look, it goes forever, it's a loop. Forever, ever, ever. I'm having too much fun with this. Yeah, let's keep going.